Hello, and welcome to this video. Gosh, it's awful hot. I have a box that I'm going to open. So I don't know. This is very hot. I can't do this. Hold on. This is too much. This is too much. Oh, shouldn't really waste these gloves. I will. Very important. Oh, there's like a weird residue inside those gloves. Oh, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. Anyway, glasses on. Let's get to it. Let's pretend all that's like that. What do we have here? You know what's in here. Oh, that's very dramatic. I've been waiting for this for a long time, and it's arrived. So what's inside? Oh, I feel like I've got that strap on my head. Okay, so what's inside the box? This is the X100 Mark V. Do you say Mark V? X100? No, X100V. What am I talking about? Mark V. X100V. The fifth iteration of the fabulous and amazing X100. The best camera ever. Well, not really, but like in my opinion. So what's inside the box? This is going to be just to kind of clear this up right away. I'm hoping that this is going to be a short video, not to waste anybody's time, because everybody's very busy right now. They have lots of things to be doing and getting on with, and you've got places to be. So I'm going to make this relatively short. So I haven't actually went beyond this part yet. So this is very exciting. So what's in the box? Let's have a look and see. A little leaflet about the Fujifilm Connect app. Look at that later. Then it has some manuals. Let's see what manuals it has. Help numbers, helplines, if you need help. Helplines. Capture One promo. Yeah, Capture One Express Fujifilm free download. Digital camera Fujifilm X100. Oh, sorry, my hand is in the way. Owner's manual. Very good. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you can also download that digitally. There's little codes here, and you can scan those. Did anybody else ever go, how do you scan this? Where's my app? But scan those and you're away. Now, boring stuff first, probably. Strap. Nice. The usual Fujifilm strap. It's let's just open it and show people who might not be familiar. It's got oh, it's nice. It's nice leather. It's got a logo. I always find it takes ages for them to get out of that shape. If they hang it somewhere, put weights on it, put like a kettlebell on the end, and let that kink go away. Anyway, strap. Little things to put your strap on. Same situation as the X Pro 3. No charger. Now, I have come around to the idea in a way of no charger. because there's a battery anyway. We'll be using that in a second. I have come around to the idea of the no charger thing, and the fact that you can charge it in the camera, charge the camera just off the cable. Because there's been a few times where I've left home and I've left home with a flat battery, but my phone takes the same cable. It's USB-C cable, and it's been handy to just be able to plug that cable into the camera, and 10 minutes later you've got whatever percentage of power in the camera to allow you to kind of snap away for a while. So what I did get actually was I bought this little charger that I leave plugged in at my desk. You see it's currently got one battery in there. I might have shown this before, I can't remember. Anyway, I got this little charger. It's is that a G? I guess it is, yeah. G-R-E. GreePro? GreePro? That's a weird word, isn't it? GreePro. Dual USB charger. So it holds two batteries. And it's got a little indicator, which is kind of handy. Plug them in, plug in your USB. It's micro USB. So plug that in there into your little charging block, and away you go. Charge up. Oh, which battery came with the camera? It doesn't matter. So USB Type-C cable and the camera. Oh, look at this! I love this. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh, that is so beautiful. This is the first time I've actually seen it in the flesh. Oh, that is a nice camera. Oh my gosh. Oh, jeepers. Because the last time I held an X100 was my own X100F, and that was back in November, I guess, whenever I traded my own camera in for the X Pro 3. Oh my God, that is so, wow, it's actually really beautiful, I must say. Oh, that is flipping gorgeous. The lines are amazing. Wow. Look at the lines. Look at the way that is shaped right there. Hopefully you can see that. That is cracking. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. No D-pad anymore, obviously. I'll not go over really all the specs and whatnot because it's not really that kind of video. I mean, this camera has been out for quite a while now. I'd be amazed if this is the first X100 V video that you've come across or decided to watch, because it's been out for a few months. But I think they've been hard to get because of the whole virus thing here in Europe anyway. But let's stick in a battery and see what happens. I think this might be my old battery. Doesn't really matter. Plug it in. I have no memory card. Oh, let me take a memory card from somewhere. Hold on. There's one. Pull it out of there. Now. Oh, the little door's nice, isn't it? It's got a new door mechanism. That's quite nice. Wow, that is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I actually can't get over how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. God, it's only whenever because I haven't actually looked up many X100V videos, believe it or not. I've looked up a couple of reviews online, but I haven't really looked up any videos, and now I'm just like taking it all in. That is absolutely gorgeous. Let's look at the little tilty screen. Yeah, oh, that's nice. Yeah, it feels it's obviously a different type of screen to the X Pro 3, which is filming this video. So the X Pro 3 has a lovely flip out screen. I must say the way they've done it is superb, but obviously the X Pro 3 folds out. Actually, I'll show you. Oh, sugar. Sugar, hold on. Sorry. Let me crazy. So you'll see the X Pro 3 folds out this way, and I have to say this is the nicest flip out screen I've ever used. It just feels so good and solid. You know, you just flip it out like that and it sits perfectly flat. You can go all the way down, but it's a great flip out screen. Doesn't do the whole that though, does it? Doesn't do that. Can't see. So this comes out from the bottom, much like the XT series. So it comes out from the bottom. It feels, oh, you always feel like you're going to break it, but you're not going to break it. But it just feels, you have to kind of grab it in a bit of a different way. Oh, there it's come on. I've turned the camera on. Wow. Oh my God, it's so nice. I can't get over how nice it is. Anyway, you flip it out. Let's turn it all the way and just get on with it. Goodness sake. Right, English. Okay. Pair of smartphone. No, not now. Back. Parent registration. No. Okay, date. Do that later. Oh, I have something else. And this surprised me. Let me turn it off for a second. This is the weather resistant kit. Isn't that a bit? That's like something you'd expect to buy flip-flops in or something. Isn't it? Or like a phone protector or something. It's like, look at that. I hope this isn't a knockoff. Could be a knockoff. If you have bought this, this is the weather resistant kit. If you have bought this, let me know if yours looked better than this when it arrived. This thing is so cracked. I'm going to use scissors. I'm going to use scissors. It's just rubbish. Alright, that wasn't very cool, was it? Oh, 2 boxes. Yes. So, protection filter and adapter ring. So this is what makes the X100V weatherproof. But we stick it on. Sure, we might as well. We're not doing anything else. No, I'm not. Adapter ring. Okay, so that's the adapter ring. Okay, so it looks kind of like the thing that's on there. So we also take this off. Take off the original one, I would imagine. Whoa, come back. Stick that on. Which one do you put on first? Protection filter. Let's stick this. This is probably what manuals are for. Open up. Oh. Oh. This is very high tech. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's glass, is it? Oh, it is. So, which one is the weatherproof one? Hold on, I have to go and look at the manual now. So one is the adapter ring. That doesn't say anything. And one is filter. Do you have to use the filter? Which one was the original one? Sugar. Protection filter. That's the original one. Is it? I can't remember which one was the original one. Ah, this must be the... Oops. Bit of a boo-boo there, wasn't it? This must be the... This must be the... It's a bit footery to put on. I think this is the... Yeah, that's bound to be the weather sealer there. But you don't need to use this, do you? Do you? This is just a protector for the lens. Oh, I've got dust in there already. Oh well. Anyway, let's... No, I don't want to pair it with the smartphone. Back. And no. Pair next time. Okay. Oh, it's a nice screen. Now. Oh. That was fast. Oh. That was fast. Right. Now let's have a look here. Oh, viewfinder is set to OVF mode, so it's turned to LCD mode. Oh, that is nice. What's going on here? Oh, my nose is moving the autofocus around. That's handy. Let's move the autofocus over to the left. Let's move it to the right. Let's move it up. Let's move it down. Wow. I'll be turning that off. That'll be annoying. Okay, so maybe I get used to that. No, I won't get used to that. Okay, so wow, that's nice. That's pretty. It's almost exactly the same as looking into the X Pro 3, to be honest with you. And I've got my glasses on, as you can see, and yeah, it looks the same. Let me have a look at the X Pro. Ah, no battery in. My goodness, David. Come on. Get with the program. Put that in there. Let's have a look now. Oh, this is a lot brighter. But I can see... I think I can see less of that EVF. Oh, let's see. I think I can probably see more of this EVF, actually. It must be the shape of the... It must be the shape of the... Although they look the same, don't they? They're very similar in size and type as far as the let me come over and show you. As far as the viewfinders go, they're very similar in size, aren't they? Pretty much identical, actually. Let me come over here and show you this. See what I mean? They're pretty much the same size. So yeah, it looks pretty much the same. Anyway, is that an unboxing? I think so. I think what I need to do is play, figure out what this little screen is for, and take some photographs with it. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. I can't tell you. It is absolutely gorgeous. Maybe what I need to do now is to cut to some fancy B-roll, as they say. I actually might edit that out. I sound like a Wally. Yeah, I think I'll maybe show you some of these bits close up. My God, they've done such a good job. It is utterly beautiful camera. Oh, I can't wait to get playing with this. I can't wait. Oh, the feeling of the silver. Oh, it makes me wish that I waited and got the silver effect on my X Pro. But I'm alright with it. I'm okay with it. I do not want to pair my smartphone. Okay. Oh my God, it's flipping gorgeous. And autofocus is oh yeah. Oh, that's using that weird electronic shutter. I'll have to turn all that off. So I need to do my... Oh, it's so good to be playing with this camera again. I flipping love the X100. Wowee. Wowzers. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Wow. It is great. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, this was a terrible video. I do apologize. Better videos coming soon. Promise. Bye. Wash your hands.